Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, lesson number 7. Air has dust, smoke and germs. So we will see what are the learning points. Dust. What is dust? Where do the dust particles come from? And smoke. Where does the smoke come from? And this is germs. So in this chapter we are going to see all these 3 points. Now first we will see dust. Where do the dust particles come from? See, here it is dust. Look at a narrow beam of sunlight entering a room through small gaps. Here you can see the beam of sunlight. See, this is the beam of sunlight, and from where it is entering? See here, it is a small gap. This is the door, and on this door you can see a small gap over here, and from this gap the sunlight is entering in the room. You will notice countless dust particles dancing in the beam of sunlight. What you will notice? You will notice countless dust particles. See, here are the small dust particles. Can you see in the sunlight? These are very small dust particles. They are dancing in the beam of sunlight. This is the beam of sunlight, this yellow color. This is the sunlight, and you can see the small particles. They are dancing in this sunlight. So they are called as dust particles. This shows that there are dust particles in the air. What does this show? This shows that there are dust particles in the air. This you can see at your home also. Where do the dust particles come from? Where do these dust particles come from? When the wind blows, it carries particles of dust along with it. From where does the dust particles come? Here you can see in the picture. See, wind is blowing and there are small particles in the air. When the wind blows, it carries particles of dust along with it. What does the wind carries along with it? Wind means a big, you can see a storm, or you can say wind means a big pressure of air. When it comes, you can see the small particles along with it is also being seen. In this way, dust particles mix with the air. What does it happens? In this way, the dust particles mix with the air. Here you can see that small dust particles are mixing along with the air. When a sweeper sweeps the road, dust particles mix with the air. Here you can see in the picture, the sweeper is sweeping the road. This you can see nearby your home or any other place where you visit. You can see when the sweeper is sweeping the road, the dust particles mix with the air. See in this picture, the dust particles which are down, they are mixing up with the air. Now next we will see in the next video. Thank you.